Dahil sa gera na nag-escalate between the United States, Iran, Israel, baka sumali rin ng Russia, China, Australia, yung mga kababayan natin na papunta sa Middle East countries or even sa Europe, nadidelay ang flight. Yung mga nasa Europe or Middle East, hindi makauwi dahil nasa Dubai Airport usually ang terminal, at hanggang ngayon dahil sa binomba itong Dubai International Airport hindi pa ginagamit at hindi rin totoo na magpadala ka lang ng eroplano tapos na ang kwento, iuwi mo na yung mga yan. Marami pong protocol na mangyayari. So, ano ang mangyayari sa ticket mo? Ano ang karapatan ng airline passenger na nag-book papuntang any of these affected countries? Ang eroplano ay isang common carrier na sinasabi at na-define under Article 1732 of the Civil Code as any corporation, firm, association that offers transportation service to the public for compensation. Dapat may bayad. Encompasses all kinds of carriers, air, sea, land. Common carriers are generally available to the public with the condition that the services are offered without discrimination to anyone willing to pay for them. So, ano ang mga obligasyon ng common carrier? Dapat meron silang extraordinary diligence. At ito ay to ensure the safety of passengers and the proper handling of their goods. Meron silang presumption of negligence under Article 1756. Pag merong loss, destruction, deterioration of goods, or injury, they will take the loss. And strict liability under Article 1759 to 1763, liable for damages caused to passengers or goods. Kung na-injure ang pasahero on the way or yung kanyang mga goods ay nawala, nasira, liable. This is inclusive of cancellation of flights. Kaya lang, merong naman limitasyon ang liability ng airline. Siyempre, mataas ang liability nila sa civil code, pero merong limitation. Ang isa dyan, yung tinatawag na force majeure, Article 1739 ng New Civil Code. If a loss is due to unforeseen events or acts of God, ito yung force majeure na tinatawag, a common carrier is not liable unless they are negligent. Yung Middle East War, yung Iran War, makukonsider na unforeseen event. So medyo pahirapan ang pag-claim ng damages against the airline for delayed flights, no? Acts of the public enemy, no? Kasama na rin ito yung public enemy na yan, yung mga aggressor dito sa gerang nito, or acts of the passenger himself, no? Pag ikaw ay na-late doon sa check-in mo at hindi ka nakasakay, medyo kasalanan mo yan, hindi mo pwedeng pagbintangan yung airline at issue for damages kasi ikaw mismo ang may kasalanan. So, general rule, may liability ang airline, exception to the rule, itong mga tatlong ito.